Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today is a little short video on us going to get some fabric in the valley, actually Canoga Park. It's off of Sherman Way. I'll put the address down there. It's a cool little store I'll get fabric from. And then the second part is us getting some in downtown LA. So let's check this out.
Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, yeah, you not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, yeah, you not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
How you doing, sir? I thought y'all was closed. Come on, This guy, he want beige fabric, man. He asked for Guilford in Maine, but they don't have that here. So I'm gonna look for like some beige suede. I'll offer him canvas, but I don't think he want that canvas look. I think the beige is on the side where they at, man. Tune in, we'll be right back. I'll take it at $5.99. Oh, I'll take it at $5.99. You say 30% off $5.99?
30% off.
Oh, it goes up, so $5.99? Give me 5 yards. So that ruler is like 36 inches. I'm getting 5.5, so that ruler is like 36 inches. So you do that 5.5 times, and I'll get my yardage. Yes, sir. Perfect. All the way to downtown LA, you might have to pay a couple of extra more bucks, but it's worth it though. Real convenient and easy. Downtown is a hassle, man. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. I'm gonna put your street and your sign and everything, and let everybody know where I get the fabric from. I appreciate you, man. You give me good deals.
Trust me, not 10%. I get it more. I go change the price for you.
I know we good. See you next time, man. I'll call you if I need some more. I'll let you know. All right. Yeah, we get it from Canoga Fabrics all the time, man. Canoga Fabric.
Canoga Fabric.
Bottom 1.5 yards of off-white suede beige. Got the client wants 7 panels. He wants 3 2x4s and 4 16x4 feet. So
7 panels, 5 yards, 7 panels?
5.5 yards because 16.5. But normally I get 1 yard per panel just so I can have extra.
So that was Canoga Fabrics in the valley on Sherman Way. Cool dude, man. Been getting fabric there for years, man. Go check him out. Got all the fabrics, and if you don't have it, he'll order it for you. Now let's head to downtown LA. The Fabric District in downtown LA starts on, I believe, 9th and Santee, in between Maine, and you can go all the way down and just walk the area, find all type of fabrics you want. It's a little overwhelming, but you can get good prices down there. Let's check it out.
We on 9th and Maple. There's 2 spots that I normally go to, man. They right across the street from each other. Let's check it out. I'm ready, man. $1.10, man. You went up on me, man, but it's okay, man.
It's not up to me, bro.
I'm just joking, man. Every year y'all go up, man. It used to be 99 cents.
No, I used to be 20 years old. I'm 43 now.
I don't want to hear all that, man. I don't want to hear all that. Y'all get the black robe, and then I'll get 10 yards of red, green, 104 yards. Yeah, might as well, man. It's a house of coming downtown LA. Yeah. It's all right, though. We just got to go up on our prices. Yeah. We doing we build studios and stuff, so.
Okay, what's your YouTube? So I know watch it.
Oh, it's my van park right there. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, put him on YouTube, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get, Yeah, buying some, oh yeah, Royal Blue, Dodger Blue, man. Downtown LA, Dodger Blue. It's kind of cool, huh? I'll take like 2 yards of this. I can make 2 panels of that first. What about this burgundy?
It's for the website?
Yeah, 2 yards of burgundy. I'll pay cash. But it's 122 yards?
Total is 130 bro. Use it cash.
Credit card. Yeah, that was our first spot, our quick, easy spot. Now we'll go across the street. I need a pair of good scissors, man. See, parking is bad. I have to park in the red, but I've been parking there for years, haven't got a ticket yet. How you doing, sir? I might get a little, you got gray? Oh, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get 2 yards of that. Yeah. 2 yards of fabric and some scissors, man. Get some nice scissors.
Yeah.
Here you go. How you doing, man? Hey, man, you know, the economy been shut down.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a pair of scissors.
Okay, this one.
Let me get the silver, man. I got those already.
Good, very good.
Where to go at? No more gold?
Yeah. Okay. This how many yards?
2 yards.
2 yards. 4, 14.
That's it. Thank you, man. Appreciate you guys. I'll be back, man. I'm gonna grab a lot more fabric, man.
Okay, have a good day.
All right.
God
See you next time, man. God bless you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, man.
Have a nice day.
Brother, what's up, man? All right. See you later, man. So yeah, we got our fabric downtown LA, man. Headed to the house. Let's go make some panels, man.